Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary, Motivational Speaker and Business Coach. Read every day something no one else is reading. Think every day something no one else is thinking. Do every day something no one else would be silly enough to do. It's bad for the mind to be always part of anonymity. It's very bad. And once the storm is over, you won't remember how you made it through, how you managed to survive. You won't even be sure whether the storm is really over. But one thing is certain: when you come out of the storm, you want the same person who walked in. That's what this storm's all. It is a mistake to think time is going. Time is not going. Time is here until the world ends. It is you that is going. You don't waste time. Time is infinite. You waste yourself. You are finite. It is you that grow old and die. Time doesn't. So make better use of yourself before you expire. And one of the worst things to do with time is comparing yourself to others. A cow eats grass and gets fat, but if dog eats grass, it will die. Never compare yourself with others. Run your own race. What works for one person may be that which will kill off you. Focus on the gifts and talents God gave you and don't be envious of the blessings He gave others. Both lion and shark are professional hunters. But a lion cannot hunt in the ocean and a shark cannot hunt in the jungle. Is it? That a lion cannot hunt in the ocean doesn't make him useless. And that a shark cannot hunt in the forest doesn't also make him useless. Both have their own territory where they can do well. If a rose smells better than tomatoes, it doesn't mean the rose can make a better stew. Don't try to compare yourself to others. You also have your own strength. Look for it and build on it. All animals that exist were in Noah's Ark. A snail is one of those animals. If God could wait long enough for snails to enter Noah's Ark, His door of grace won't close till you each your expected positions in life. Never look down on yourself. Keep looking up. Remember that broken crayons still color. Keep on pushing. You never can tell how close you are to your goal. Thank you so much, guys. Be happy.